After we discuss, here are the results of our discussion, with the theme of our poster is Mountain of Trash in Indonesian Rivers. And this is our poster. Hello everyone. Now, my friend and I will present our poster. Our poster have topic water pollution and the theme is Mountain of Trash in Indonesian Rivers. Now, may I introduce our member. In our member, there are 3 persons. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Daniella Sekarningrum, and my friend is Primadian Harmastuti and Hizkia Panangian. What do you think about our topic and theme of our poster? Do you interest? In this poster, we will discuss about type of garbage in our country rivers and what do you think about the main cause of our topic and how can we do to control the pollution of rivers. So let us see the poster. Garbage have a lot of characteristics and our group conclude in 10 characteristics of garbage based on a reference we comments. First, garbage characteristic. Garbage waste consisting of vegetable scrap from processing, preparations, manufacture, and supply of food, the bulk of which is composed is of perishable, moist, and watery materials. 2. Rubbish. Rubbish that is flammable or hard to burn comes from household waste, waste from shop or commerce and office. In general, flammable waste consists of organic substances such as paper, thorn, cloth, and wood. Meanwhile, non-combustible waste consists mostly of inorganic substances such as metals, minerals, and cans. 3. Street sweeping or street rubbish. Rubbish that comes from cleaning the road or sidewalk, such as leaves from trees. 4. Dead animal is a type of rubbish that has died from disease or is run over on the streets. 5. Household refuse, a mixture of garbage from residential waste. 6. Abandoned vehicle. This is garbage originating from car, wreck, trains, and so on. 7. Industrial waste. This is a type of solid waste from industrial processing. 8. Demolition waste. This is waste from demolishing buildings. 9. Construction waste. Waste from construction residues such as wood, stone, nails, and so on. And the last, sewage solid. Waste consisting of coarse objects containing organic substance from the result of filtering wastewater. For example, in rivers, specialist waste that needs special handling, for example, paint cans and radioactive substance.
As you can see in these two pictures, almost 95% of the rivers in our beloved country are polluted by garbage and waste. What a shame, isn't it? We are the younger generation can only enjoy the river, which is cloudy and smells bad because of the pile of garbage. Let's check about the background of the topic. The ongoing problem related to waste is a burden for the Indonesian state. Why? Almost all rivers in Indonesia are polluted with plastic waste and waste. Moreover, water pollution in rivers in urban areas. The high level of population density is one of the triggers for the disposal of both household, factory, industrial, and office waste. There is no doubt about the dangers of plastic waste and chemicals that have combined with river water. Generally, this will have an impact on the people living in the area around the river, starting from itching, diarrhea, skin infection, and so on. Environmental pollution is a problem that can never be separate from a group of people who live in certain environment. Pollution can be in the form of air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. The progress of industrial development, especially in our urban areas, can certainly increase pollution. For example, namely liquid waste and or wastewater, which increases pollution in the waters. Based on government regulation number 82 of 2001 concerning water quality management and pollution control, water function of human life to advance public welfare. Water is the basic foundation and the main factor of development. In daily life, apart from a raw material for drinking water, it is also used for various human activities such as irrigation, agriculture, industry, and others. So, what's the main cause of this problem? Pollution is not only caused by industrial discharge from factories, but also intentionally or unintentionally from the community itself. In addition, the low level of public awareness that throws waste or feces or garbage into the river is the main cause of the rapid process of river water pollution. So we can just blame industrial factories for throwing their waste carelessly into the river if we are still not aware and just throwing garbage into the river. For example, in the picture of a man throwing garbage into the river without quill. So everything starts from within yourself. Be a good example for everyone.
How to control river pollution, among other. Number 1. Before being discharged into the river, industrial waste must to be neutralized so that they do not contain elements that can pollute the water. Number 2. It's prohibited not to throw garbage into the river, but rather that garbage must be disposed of its place. Number 3. Reducing the use of chemical pesticides to kill as on plants so that the water from the field flowing into a river is polluted. Number 4. Equipment that can contain a recycle oil spills must be owned by the oil company. So, if the oil is spilled, it will not spread widely so that it will not have a significant effect on the level of water pollution. And the conclusion, it can be concluded from the problem of river water pollution that is getting worse in every river in Indonesia, so that it can be said to be like the mountain of garbage. Let's turn bad habits into good habits of living healthy, consciously disposing of trash in its place and using alternative to plastic when shopping. That way you have participate in the progress of the Indonesian nation. Okay, there's some reference from us. And then, thank you, that's all from us. If there is a missing word or misinformation or otherwise, the three of us apologize profusely. Thank you for listening to us until the end. We should have a good day.